Hi everyone, Anthony here. I am behind the scenes today doing a quick video. This is, of course, the Oracle Stone Temple at Mount Zenith. And Mount Zenith is, of course, the mountain crop that comes out through the top. What I want to show you about in here and that I love about this, we actually have 3 different sizes of newborns in this tank. This is the Fire Red, and they've just gone crazy in this build. I love it. One of the things I've just done is gone through and, okay, that's my phone going off. I've gone through and this tank always has a ton of baby snails in it. I've just cleaned out a bunch, cleaning out meaning I smush them and then let them fall. And I wanted you to see how the juveniles and the adults just go crazy with these. So I'm hoping you can see on camera that we have all these different sizes. So they just aggressively go after the snails. I think I counted 25 babies altogether, and I just went along and just started like trying to count them as fast as I can before they move. But this build, I know this is not a fan favorite because it really is, it's just epiphytes. There's no soil. And it's really just, to me, like my one version of a minimalist. Like I'm going to say I have a minimalist build, it's going to be this one. Now the larger ones, they're hysterical. They will grab one and then run. And so this one has got a little spot all by itself. And you can see there's our tiniest of babies, and they don't even have any coloring yet. Let's see what we've got over here. And I think we've got something going down in there. Oh, perhaps down there. And here we got some here. They actually, yesterday I did like a cleaning of the interior walls, and maybe that's what prompted all these snails to come out because the back wall of the tank was covered. And they are swimming all around. I love how they interact in their build because for them, this is home. They were born here. And so they really do. I mean, it's really amazing to see all these different sizes together and flourishing. And let's take a look. Normally, I work here. So I always say these are what I call my pride rocks because there's always shrimp up on the rocks. Now, not generally the bigger ones because they have other things they like to feed on, but the babies, they love this. It's like this great vantage point for them. And for those of you who have been with the channel for a while, you'll recognize this build, this hardscape. This was the Harry Potter terrarium that was in 2 pieces, and I fused them together to reuse this same structure. Let's see if we can get a little bit closer here. There's usually always, oh, I see them. Yes. See them on the tip. Tiny, tiny, tiny. And then one of their favorite spots is like right here. They love to get right up here at the very, very tips where there's biofilm, and they love to feed on the biofilm. So that's our snapshot for today. The feeding frenzy inside Mount Zenith. Hope you guys have a great day. Enjoy. Bye-bye.